Let's talk about what happens after being arrested in Maryland. If you're new here, my name's Caroline Norman Frost. I am a Maryland criminal defense attorney, and you can reach me at 240-439-1922. After you are arrested, you will be taken to a detention center and you will have a hearing in front of a commissioner. If the commissioner decides not to release you, you will then have a hearing in front of a judge known as a bail review. At the bail review, the judge can hold you without bond. They can issue an order to release you on your own personal recognizance. They can order a unsecured personal bond, a secured personal bond. They can make pretrial release conditions. They can even allow you to be released with private home monitoring. There's factors that a judge will consider at a bail review. One of those factors is known as FTAs. Failure to appear at prior hearings. They will also consider whether you are a danger to yourself or anyone else. They will consider whether or not you are a flight risk. They will look at your ties to the community, whether you have a family there, a job there, and other factors. If you are not released at the bail review, then if there is a change in circumstances, you can ask for a second bail review. An example of change in circumstances might be a reduction of charges. For instance, at a preliminary hearing, if you're charged with felonies as well as misdemeanors, then the judge will have to decide whether or not there is probable cause to proceed with those felonies. If the state fails to show probable cause to proceed with the felonies and there is a reduction in charges, then that could be grounds for a second bail review. Another example is whether or not you have health issues that result in there being a risk if you stay detained. Also, if you have the ability to enter drug treatment at that point, then that could be considered a change in circumstances. Or if the victim or witness has changed their story and there's new facts present, that could also be considered a change in circumstances. At a second bail review, if you're not released again, then your attorney can file a petition for habeas corpus. If you've been arrested in Maryland and you have a bail review, you can reach me at 240-439-1922, and I can represent you at your bail review.